Building wealth takes time and patience, but it also requires you to take real, actionable steps with your money. After all, you won't get rich by keeping your extra cash under your mattress and hoping for the best. You have to invest your money if you want it to start growing to its full potential. But how do you do that if you only have $100 to get started? That's not a lot of capital, but it's definitely better than nothing. In this video, we are going to talk about investing your first $100 if you are interested, so stay tuned into the video. Definitely you will find some value. Let's move on towards the topic. And if you are interested in investment and passive income, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I regularly upload this type of well-researched investing videos for you. Let's move on towards the topic. Regular people who built real wealth started with small sums, kept on investing and watched as their money snowballed from there. Not only that, but the act of learning how to invest is often all it takes to change someone's mindset about money, and to get them on a path to earning more cash in other ways. Having $100 in the bank might not seem like a lot, but it may be all you need to change your future for the better. If you're wondering how to invest $100, how to flip $100, and how to invest and make money daily, you're in the right place. And if you are interested in investment and passive income, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I regularly upload this type of well-researched investing videos for you. Let's move on towards the topic. Can $100 really make a difference? Learning how to invest can feel like you're playing a game of catch-up at first, and that's especially true when you only have small sums of cash to start the process. After all, we've all heard of people who have made millions of dollars investing in the right stocks, crypto or non-fungible tokens at the right time, or coming up with an awesome business idea nobody had ever thought of before. However, you really do have to change your mindset if you want to flip $100 and turn it into substantial sums of money. The reality is, there are plenty of situations where you could have turned $100 into thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, and you invested at the right time. Don't believe me? The chart shows how much $100 would be worth today if you invested approximately 10 years ago. Investing $100 into Bitcoin a decade ago would have seemed crazy at the time. Yet a single Bitcoin purchased in 2012 would have set you back just $5.29. If you were forward-thinking enough to get in the game early on, imagine how many Bitcoins you could have purchased and what they might be worth today. How to invest $100 starting today. Here's a secret about investing most people don't know. It's not really about how much you invest at first. What matters most is that you actually get started and do something. Whether you're trying to figure out how to invest $100 or you need to know how to invest $1,000, the key to getting ahead is making a decision and sticking with it. Ready to invest your first $100? Great! The 5 strategies I'm sharing with you are the perfect place to start. 1. Round up your savings, risk level low. Acorns is an app that automatically rounds up your change when you make a purchase, so it can invest that money on your behalf. When you sign up for a plan, you can automatically grow your wealth and your savings. You can also even choose among professionally curated portfolios that might work better or worse based on your goals and risk preferences. How it works. Plans cost $3 or $5 per month, depending on whether you want a personal plan or a family plan. Both plans automatically round up your purchases and invest your spare change, and they come with added benefits like checking and fee-free access at more than 55,000 ATMs nationwide. 2. Dabble in fractional shares, risk level varies. Fractional shares are nothing more than a fraction or a slice of an individual stock. As a result, this type of investing lets you use $100 to buy stocks and other investments you couldn't otherwise afford. You can also diversify your $100 investment across many different stocks and other assets that would work well in your portfolio. How it works. You can buy stock in a company even if you don't have enough money to buy an entire share. It's called fractional share investing. Instead of buying one share of a $100 stock, you can invest $10 in 10 different stocks. Are you still watching my video? So definitely you will like my other videos as well. If you are interested in stock market or investing, and you don't subscribe to my channel yet, so subscribe right now because I upload these types of videos regularly. Now move on towards the topic. 3. Invest in real estate. Risk level varies. Investors who poured their money into real estate have done incredibly well over the last decade, and especially the last few years. In fact, the National Association of Realtors just reported that the median price for a single-family home rose 15.7% nationally from May 2021 to May 2022. That's a pretty sweet return for just a single year, and this rate of increase comes after a decade of rising prices among all types of housing across the board. That said, the real estate industry has a fairly high barrier to entry since you need tens of thousands of dollars to begin buying up properties. That's why I typically suggest investing in real estate through other means instead, including real estate investment trusts. How it works. By investing in real estate investment trusts, you get exposure to real estate without having to buy individual properties or deal with the grunt work of being a landlord. Once you pick a fund and invest your money regularly, your investment balance can grow based on real estate profits that are realized over time. 4. Buy index funds, risk level, moderate. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that tracks the returns of a market index, such as the S&P 500. This means you can invest in an index fund and receive roughly the same return as the market it tracks without any added work on your part. Index funds are popular with long-term investors who are looking for ways to invest passively without having to worry about picking individual stocks. Plus, index funds have secured pretty good returns over the years. As an example, the S&P 500 index fund from Vanguard is currently averaging a return of 8.17% over the last 15 years. How it works. Investing in index funds is about as easy as it gets. All you have to do is select one of the best online brokerage firms, then open an account. Decide on the index you want to track, and invest in the fund that suits your needs. 5. Collect dividends, risk level, moderate. When I talk about collecting dividends, I am of course talking about investing in dividend stocks. This type of stock pays out a distribution of cash or stock to its shareholders regularly, so they are commonly used by investors who want to build streams of passive income. How it works. Like other stock market investing strategies, you can get started with dividend stocks by opening an online brokerage account. One of the best platforms for this type of investment is M1 Finance, since it lets you invest in dividend stocks without any investment fees. The bottom line on investing $100. There are many ways to invest $100, just as there are smart options if you have $1,000 to invest, $5,000 to get started, or $10,000 you are ready to devote to building wealth. Make sure you compare all of your options and only dive in once you know you're ready. Although $100 may not seem like a lot, imagine what you can accomplish if you began investing $20, $50, or even $100 per month. When it comes to building wealth, you really do have to start somewhere. Investing $100 is the first step to building the life you really want. I hope now you understand how you can invest your first $100. So that's it for today. And if you will find my video valuable, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.